What's up guys, so today we are going to learn on how to extract the required information using Revit. So this is the task. We have here the layout plan of the house, and this is under the course of Precast Concrete and IBS. So first of all, the task is going to Revit and identify this is the area of the house and also the porch here. This is the partition of the rooms, and also this is the 3D view of this house. So first of all, we're going to the schedule and insert the new schedule quantities to identify the rooms that we have here. Press room and select the area and also the name so that we identify the area of each room. Yeah, this is the result. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys.